Hi friends, this is the review of the Dell 18.5-inch TN Twisted Pneumatic LED monitor holding a model number of E1914H. So let us have a physical tour of it quickly. So at the front bottom we have the Dell logo. At the right side we have the power, and then we have 4 standard analog buttons which are quite sturdy. There is no wobble in the keys. We have the preset mode, brightness, menu and the exit. I have set the brightness at 75%, and then at the back we have a standard power and then a VGA port and the Dell branding at the top and a mesh for the heat elucidation. And the thickness also is okay-ish, the thickness. And coming to the bezels, again the 4 sides are of same length, the bezels of same width, and then the resolution. This is a HD resolution in the aspect of 16:9. We have 1366 by 768 resolution, and then we have this nice matte finish, which nowadays we are having in every monitor for the anti-glare effect. And the viewing angles. Coming to the viewing angles, there is a bit disappointment that if we go to the left side, we can see the clear blacking out of the screen. Of course they are viewable a bit, but this is blacking out. Again, even to the same thing goes away again, the blacking out of the screen. And again we have a poor upper and lower viewing angles again. Upper and the lower viewing angles again. So it's manageable that we can play games, etc., movies sitting close to it rather than being very apart from each other. And then coming to the color reproduction, okay, the colors are again natural. Let us have a look at some of the wallpapers so we can understand the color reproduction. The blacks are again not that deep. We can clearly see the blacks. Okay, the overall color reproduction is good. Colors are again natural. And coming to the last point on the overall rating. And yeah, prior to this, I have a minor con. I'm not sure whether it's a con or not exactly, but I have a minor con, like regarding the red color reproduction. The YouTube red color, I feel it's a bit oversaturated, the red color of the YouTube logo. And then again in GSM Arena we can see the red color is again the standard nice. And again in the Google, I personally feel the red color in the Google is again a bit tinted, a bit low again. Here it's low, and in the YouTube logo it's oversaturated again to the what I have seen in other monitors like Samsung, etc. But other than this, I don't know it's a con or not. The working and other color reproduction is again perfectly fine, and I personally am using this from past 1 month with no problems at all. I overall rate this monitor in performance, design, etc., everything for 7/10. Thank you for watching.